have reached a critical situation, and we have to take this seriously.
Now to the latest in the coronavirus pandemic. Hialeah Mayor Carlos Hernandez is begging Hialeah residents to take COVID-19 seriously. He calls this a critical point for his city. His warning comes on the same day Florida set another single-day record for the number of new COVID-19 deaths reported in the last day. 173 deaths now added to the statewide total, which sits at more than 5,600.
Among those is a 9-year-old Putnam County girl. That makes her the youngest COVID-19 victim in the state of Florida. Doctors say she had no underlying health conditions.
There were more than 10,000 new cases reported by the Florida Department of Health, bringing the total number to nearly 390,000.
In Miami-Dade, more than 2,700 new cases and 9 new deaths were reported. The total number of cases is now over 95,000. There have been more than 1,300 deaths. In Broward, there are more than 45,000 total cases of coronavirus, more than 1,200 new cases reported today, and 7 new deaths, bringing that total to 536. And in Monroe County, there are now just under 1,000 cases of COVID-19, 20 new cases reported, but no new deaths. The fight against the virus is a daunting one in South Florida, especially in the city of Hialeah.
A group of doctors there fighting on the front lines, delivering a serious warning to residents. CBS 4's Joan Murray is in Hialeah, and she begins our team coverage.
We are the epicenter of the epicenter in the world right now.
Hialeah healthcare workers and the mayor sounding the alarm about the growing COVID crisis. Hialeah has one of the highest infection rates. Hospitals are bursting at the seams.
Hialeah Hospital is full of people with coronavirus. Not only Hialeah Hospital. Kendall Hospital is the same thing. Palmero is the same thing. In the last 3 weeks, I have now more than 20 pregnant women positive for COVID. So it's real and it's affecting us.
Our nurses are working 3, 4, 5 shifts. A good safe COVID ratio is 1 in 4. You'll catch some of these hospitals running 1 in 10. The nurses are exhausted. Doctors are exhausted.
And yet they say Hialeah residents are not following the rules to wear a mask in public and keep at least 6 feet apart.
That the mask protect us against the coronavirus around 87% of the cases. And the social distance protect us in more than 90% of the cases.
We have to treat each other like we're infected in every place, everywhere. Just because you're a family member doesn't mean you're not infected.
The mayor, who's been at odds with County Mayor Carlos Hernandez, complained Hialeah is not getting their share of $475 million in federal COVID relief.
And anytime a person wants to have all that power, I think we understand it's called dictatorship.
Mayor Hernandez said it is not up to him.
And so, there'll be a process, and then the cities may be allocated, some of that money. But then that's up to the Board of County Commissioners to allocate those funds.
Doctors say everyone can make a difference by simply following the rules, wearing a mask, and keeping social distance. In Hialeah, Joan Murray, CBS 4 News.